Here, this is Ankur Malviya. Welcome to another vlog from Automation Minders. In this lecture, I am going to show you the quick process for inspecting an element which resides under ShadowDOM. In the previous video, I have shown you how to find such kind of element by using JavaScript context. So that was very complex and robust. So in this demo, I will show you the quick method. So for this demo, I'm taking this example from the Chrome download page, and this is a search bar where we are inspecting the element. So here you can see this is search or download bar, and this is the DOM for that, and you can see this particular thing is resides in the shadow DOM. So there are 1 2 3 4, there are 4 shadow DOM attached to this original HTML DOM. So if you want to create the JavaScript context for this, so it will be complex. So the better way is go to the right click on this, copy as JS path, and go to console, paste it. So if you are able to inspect this, that means this is a correct notation for this, and we can make in use of this. So let me store in as an element, and now I'm going to utilize this element. So what I'm doing here, I am using this console just to verify whether this is a proper element or not, and whether I am able to put some value by using this JavaScript context. So let me do testing from the console 1 2 3, and here I am going to put the semicolon. It's not mandatory, but I am putting it. So now, so it's not working. Value, let me check. Set attribute is fine. It should come over here. Let me again put it. Something happened. Let me refresh the page. Okay. After that, I am using this one. So one code reference element is not defined. Okay, so I need to define the element. So let me define the element. So what I did actually, I just entered, and I did not store in element. So now if I call this as, so it should work. So if you see, so this is working now. So what happened in the previous thing, I allotted that element as for this particular DOM, but I did not click on enter. Okay, so something happened, and now if I'm using the same element ele dot set attributes, and this value is appearing, so that means this is the proper path. So what I need to do, I need to copy this. So this is Java Selenium small script, simple script. So here I am initiating the Chrome driver as a driver, and this is a URL for that, and this here I am maximizing a script. Now I am initiating JavaScript executor as a JS. So here I casted the JavaScript to the driver. So now I'm going to use JavaScript execute script method here to convert that JavaScript context into web element. So I'm going to paste that context here, and as I mentioned, I need to utilize it as an element, so I need to cast as web element. So let me type search element, and the return type will be web element here. So now I need to type something, so let me put the argument. So string, I'm using text is equals to, here I need to pass the argument for typing the script. So argument 0 dot set attribute, here I need to pass the same thing, value, and this time I will give the a there, this is the testing text from the Java Selenium script. I just intentionally I'm putting the long script because there was some overlapping happened because of that over ghost text. So now I need to pass that JavaScript execute script here. So first will be our text and the second will be our element. So I'm just copying it. Everything looks fine, and now I'm going to click on this. So now you can see this is quickly run, and this is the text which I provided there, and here you can see some overlapping happens. So the overlapping happened because the ghost text was override from this line, and it did not clear the previous one, and it is override and overlapped here. Okay, that's why we are saying this. Okay, so now here you can see this is working. We are able to inspect the element under the ShadowDOM. And one more thing, if you want to remove this overlapping, what you need to do, you need to remove this ghost text first, like clear the text, and after that you can paste it. The solution is this. But right now this demo is limited for inspecting this element under this ShadowDOM. That's why I'm showing this much only. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you, and please provide your comment if you have any doubt. Thank you so much.